Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from Emmanuel Forex Traders. I really hope you're doing great. Today we are shooting a very different type of a video. Today we are going to discuss why it's very difficult for you to become a consistently profitable trader, especially if you are in Africa. Right? We're going to discuss the reasons why it's difficult to become profitable while staying in Africa, or if you are African, staying in Africa, earning an African salary, and then it is if you are out there in the world, like in Europe or in the Americas and everything. So I'm going to discuss the major factor, and we're also going to actually look at the alternative solution to that effect, right? So this is going to be a deep conversation, so please grab yourself a piece of paper or maybe some popcorns, whatever that can keep you company, because this is going to be a very lengthy conversation about what's affecting us as traders in Africa and how you guys in America and Europe have it better, right? I know it can be difficult sometimes, different reasons, different circumstances, but I think you guys are much in a better position than we are right here. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump into it, right? So what is the main reason that it's very difficult to be a trader, a forex trader specifically in Africa? The major reason, according to my experience, remember I've been trading for almost 5 years now. I've been in the industry for about 4 years, going to 5 years now, right? So I've had my own share of experience. So according to my experience, the major reason why it's difficult to become a consistently profitable trader while in Africa earning an African salary is capital, right? Capital for trading. It becomes very difficult for you to actually become a consistently profitable trader because you don't have enough money. All right, so I was doing some research and actually found that I think there are only 3 countries whose currency conversion rate is 1 to 3. About 3 countries. The rest of these African countries have the conversion rate which is like 1 to 10, meaning for every $1 you have to pay 10 times your currency from your particular country. For example, in my country, I'm in Zambia myself. Our conversion rate right now is 1 to 26 as of this moment. So it means that I'd have to pay 26 times my currency to just get $1. Do you know how bad that is, guys? Again, there are other countries out there who have to pay 1,000 times their currency just to get $1. The conversion rate is extremely bad here in Africa, right? So that makes it very difficult in order for you to actually compete at that level. It makes it very hard for you to compete at that level because you're starting out too low, guys. Like, it's really too low. So because of this, we are lowered into things like forex trading, which is a good thing, by the way, but because you earn so little of your salary, it becomes very difficult for you to actually become consistently profitable in the market, right? So for example, in my previous job, my salary was about 6,000 kwacha, Zambian kwacha by that time, right? So if you convert it into like into a yearly salary, it was like 72,000 kwacha, which is less than $3,000 annually. You can imagine that. Less than $3,000 $5,000 annually. Now tell me how you can compete at an international level. It's very hard. It's extremely hard for you to be able to compete at that level, right? So you get to find now people are coming to the industry and they'll be able to deposit a $5, thinking now they can turn that $5 into a lot of money, which invites gambling, right? Because there's no way you can successfully turn $5 into a lot of money unless you're gambling it. That's my view. So it's because of that you find it very difficult. If your yearly salary is less than $3,000, how do you compete with people in America or these other countries whose maybe average yearly salary is like maybe $50,000, $100,000, or $30,000? I know things are different in different countries, things are expensive and all that, but it's really hard for us because you have to convert your kwacha into the dollar, and which is expensive. So it's really hard for you to do that, according to my personal opinion, of course. So, and most people come to the market like that. You know, this was someone is coming with the $5. They're coming with $10. They're coming with $100. Try and make a lot of money from that, because you've seen someone turning $100 into $1,000 or $10,000, and you think you can also do it, but you're forgetting that that guy is just playing with $100. For you, that's your only money that you have, and it's very hard to actually make money like that. So, and I believe this is what keeps people in a loop of constantly depositing a $5, losing it, depositing a $20 and trying to flip that account to a lot of money, you lose it. Trying to deposit $100 so that you can flip that account, you keep losing it. So in that particular case, you're going to find yourself that after a year or two, you'd have actually lost a lot of money. If you combine it cumulatively, you're going to find that you've actually lost maybe $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 trying to just make money quickly, which is really sad. So the better way of handling it is, if you know you are a profitable trader, you've mastered the skill, the better way of doing it is actually save up that money, save up those little cash, save up those little money that you're having, so that at some point you can either come up with a personal account which is significant enough, or you can invest in a prop firm and buy an account that you know you can afford to buy maybe 3 times, and like that's having one account, because one account you're going to have all your emotions invested, and which is really a recipe for disaster. So it's really tricky for us Africans to actually make money consistently, because the salary that you get is just too little to compete at that level. And that's the reason why we're going to talk about what I think should be done in order for you to compete at that level in the world. So you need to have something that you need to have a skill that you can offer to the world. What skill can you offer to the international market and that people can buy? What is it that we can offer to the world and that people can actually buy? Right? So you have to ask yourself, what do you have to offer? What do you have to offer to the world? So you need to have a skill. It can be anything. Nowadays, everything is online, guys. Everything is online. You can offer a service to people out there, and people are willing to pay you money in dollars. And now you can start using those money that you're making from there as what? As capital to actually invest in the market, because the Forex market is the largest market in the world, over $7.7 trillion every day. So it's the largest market. So provided you have a skill, you can make sure that you can sell that skill to the world. It can be anything really. It can be, maybe you are good at copywriting, maybe you're a good salesman, maybe you are good at different things, guys. You can now learn and actually sell those services that you have to the people out there on the internet, and people are going to pay you in dollars, and that's going to put you at a certain level than you were if you're only depending on your salary. So have a side hustle that pays money in dollars. That is extremely important. Dollars, euros, or pounds. That's the best thing you can do. If you're making money in those three currencies I've mentioned, then it becomes a different story. It becomes a different story for you, right? Unlike if you are only just making money in your local currency. So find a way to make money in dollars. That's the solution. Find a service that you can sell in dollars. Literally anything. Anything. You can sell anything, guys. Anything. Find what you're good at and sell it in dollars. That way you're going to have enough capital to be able to actually trade on the market. Otherwise, it becomes very, very hard. If your salary is less than $300 a month, $500 a month, how can you compete? How can you compete on an international market? It becomes very, very, very hard for you. It becomes very, very hard. However, that's the only thing you can do. That's what we have right now. I wish there was going to be a solution later on, but that's what we have to deal with right now. We have to convert our kwacha into dollar. You have to convert your African currency into the US dollar currency. Alright? And not just for you to be able to make international transactions, even not for you to deposit in your account, right? Of course, I understand that the other brokers who offer local currencies where you're able to trade in your own currency, but we all want the dollar, right? Because again, on the flip side, you can use that as an advantage. So once you've made enough money in dollars, if you convert them into kwacha, it becomes a lot of money. It's the same thing. So for example, our Zambian currency is what? It's 1 to 26. So it means that for every dollar I make 26 kwacha. So if I have $1,000, guess what? I have 27,000 kwacha, and in my country, that's a lot of money. If I just made $1,000 per month, that's 27,000 kwacha, and by earning that per month, it puts you at I can say maybe top 10 most earning people in Zambia. Right? Because you're able to live a comfortable life at a particular rate. You're able to make 27,000 kwacha net profit on a monthly basis. So it's really, really important that you can actually look at this in those angles. So find a way to make money online, find a way to make money in dollars, and then now when you make those monies in dollars, now you can now put them into convert them into kwacha, and that's going to be a lot of money for you. Otherwise, if you're just going to keep on trying to flip accounts, trying, at the end of the day, you'd have lost out on a lot of money. And when you add it up, it's going to hurt you, because guess what? It's going to be a lot of money. It's going to be a lot of money. So I urge you to find a way to make money in dollars. There are a lot of things you can do. You can be good at, for example, there's a friend of mine who's really good at graphic designing, making thumbnails for YouTube thumbnails. You can actually go professional. So what I would advise you to do is find a way to make money online. Find a way to make consistent money online, either by selling your services like graphic designs, copyright, and all that. You can make money from that, and then take that money or put that money in the forex market, trade it, and you can make a lot of money like that. Or just by using like anything that you're good at, you can sell, right? There's a lady I know who was really good at makeup, right? And now she made an online course on how to do basic makeup, and she's making money from that. She's selling it at a very small amount, but she's able to make money from that in dollars, and people are buying. So that's my advice, really. Find a way to make money in dollars, because when you make money in dollars, it becomes a little bit better for you to compete at that level. Otherwise, our local currencies are quite weak against the dollar. Very, very weak, and you can't compete at that level, guys. There's just no way to compete. So I thought I would actually share that, all right? Because I know most of my African brothers and sisters are really having a rough time because our currencies are not really performing right now. So I hope you pick out something from this small rant that I've had. Just pick out something, guys. I know it's hard out there. I know it's hard, but try to find a way to make money online. Before you come to the forex market, find a way to offer some value elsewhere. You can be good at content creation. Literally, start making YouTube videos, and once you start making YouTube videos, you can either get monetized by YouTube or other social media platforms, and then whatever skill that you had, you can now start monetizing that. You can be good at that and actually make money. Brand deals can pay you to promote their products, and a lot of ways that you can actually before you even come to the forex market. So find a way. What is it that you can offer to the world and people will be willing to pay you? If you find that, make money through that, and then now come to the forex market. The forex market is not going anywhere, guys. It's here to stay. So there's no need of you trying to make it tomorrow. You shouldn't do that. That's the surest way of losing all your money. Don't do that, guys. Don't do that. So work on your stuff. Make sure you have a strategy. Make sure you have good risk management. Practice that. And the sad part about it is that because you are trying to make money quickly from that small amount of money that you have, you're going to develop very bad habits of gambling, of where you want to flip that account quickly. And then most of the times, yes, you make some money here and there, but you end up losing it. Why? Because you are addicted to gambling. And I mean, you can make some money right now, but there's no consistency in that, guys. There's no consistency in that. So the safest way to actually do it is learn to trade the proper way. Find a strategy, get good risk management, and have good psychology, and then find good capital, guys. Once you have some good capital, you can either trade on your own or you can invest it in prop firms, provided you've proven that you are profitable and all that. Then you can now move ahead from there. Otherwise, if you keep trying to flip accounts, it's not going to end well for you. I can tell you that. Alright, so I really hope you found some value in this video. I just thought I would actually come to you guys and just talk about all this. So you guys, I hope you found value. Until next time, goodbye.